Hello, friends. Did you pick up your Steam to Go kits for this week? We are going to make some coffee filter flowers and learn today about solubility. So the first thing you're going to do is pull out all your supplies. You also need to grab some washable markers. Make sure they're washable, otherwise it won't work as well. So in your kit, you should have some pipe cleaners, you should have a coffee filter, and you should have an empty water bottle. Now go ahead and fill up that water bottle with some water because we're going to use that in our project. So after you have filled that out, you'll also want to grab either like a scrap piece of paper or a plastic bag or even a metal tray to set under your project. So the first thing after all of that we're going to do is we're going to color our coffee filter. You'll want to flatten it out a little bit so that it's easier to color on. And then, so I'm just going to scribble. You can do designs. You can do just lots of different color scribbles. It's up to you. Make it fun. So I am using this green color, a purple, and this blue. So this is what mine looks like. After you've colored your coffee filter, what you're going to do is you're going to place it down on your surface. And you're going to take your water bottle, or your little misting bottle, and you're going to spray your coffee filter. So don't hold it up to do this. Do it flat on the table. I'm just holding it up so that you can see. So we're going to mist our coffee filter. And keep a close eye on it. What is it doing as you mist it? Are the colors blending together? Why do you think they do that? So it has something to do with a concept called solubility. So if something is soluble, that means it will dissolve in that liquid or solvent. The ink in these washable markers, what is it dissolving in? Our water. So for your DIY coffee flowers, the water as the solvent is meant to dissolve the ink of the markers. For this to happen, the molecules in both the water and the ink must be attracted to each other. So when you added the drops of water to your designs on the coffee filter, the ink spreads out and runs through the paper with the water because of solubility. So after that's done, you're going to want to let it dry. So you can go ahead and start coloring the other coffee filter that's in there as well. When that is dry, I have one that I made earlier. What you're going to do is you're going to pinch the middle of your coffee filter and just kind of crumple it up so that you make this sort of cone shape almost. You're going to take your pipe cleaner, then you're going to wrap it around that end part there. Okay? So wrap it around a couple of times. And then once you're done, you can fluff this out. And you have your own little coffee filter flower. Isn't that fun? Well, we at the library miss you so much. But until we can be together again, we'll keep doing these fun little craft kits, okay? I hope you have a great week, and I'll see you next week for another Steam to Go project.